The settings menu has a ton of customization options to help you customize your experience to fit your needs. In this video, we'll quickly explore the experience settings, SEO properties, social, custom HTML, and performance tabs. The first tab is Experience Settings, which is where you can adjust your experience title, customize the experience URL of your published content, and set a redirect URL in case someone tries to access your experience from an unsupported browser. Moving over to the second tab, SEO Properties is where you can manage everything SEO related in your experience. You can add title keywords, a meta description, and specify a canonical URL to your experience, a crucial step if you're embedding Ceros within your website, as it allows us to point users to the embedded page when they search for your content. There is also an area for you to enter in your own no-script HTML if you would like to customize what shows up in this case. Lastly, there is a checkbox that enables you to disable SEO completely for this experience, meaning that even after publishing, the experience will not be indexed by search engines. In the Social tab, you can customize what your experience will look like when your users share it on social media. In this tab, you can choose a title, description, and image that will populate when you share the experience on both Twitter and Open Graph platforms like Facebook and LinkedIn. The Custom HTML tab allows you to drop external code snippets into your experience, such as marketing automation tracking pixels, tracking codes for various analytics platforms, retargeting pixels for display and social ads, and more. Be sure to reach out to your account manager if you would like to explore additional use cases. In the Performance tab, there are a few settings to adjust how your experience performs. Some users want their content to load as quickly as possible, while others may want to wait until the highest resolution images load. Beneath these loading options, you can also change between different text rendering modes. These allow you to customize how text is rendered between how it's displayed in the studio versus the published experience. If you have any questions at all on the theme or settings menu, feel free to reach out to us in the chat widget.